Georgia, it's a different story. They've made 5 changes from their last League One match. That's their most from one match to another this season. Center official tonight is Lukasz Josefecki. The ball is on the spot. And we are underway at Toyota Stadium. 4 in the wall for Drew Roaming. It's not a million miles away, this one, but it would take something special to beat the goalkeeper. It's Robertson to try! 2 hands to it from Roaming. Keeper for making the stop.
It's going to bring up a Lexington Sporting Club corner kick.
Right up there in the corner. Drew Roaming saw it all the way. Disappointed to find ourselves down, but we put ourselves in that position, so we had to get ourselves out of it. They might be in a really good position here. The flag stays down against Nico Brown, looking for the opener. Just enough on it from Roaming.
It's going to bring up another Lexington Sporting
The ball just behind him in his stride. Robertson running onto it. Open run at the back post. Somehow kept off. Made the overlapping run on the ball now. Gets the cross into the middle. Free header right at him all night. Pedro Fonseca once again the target man for these crosses for Tormenta. Tormenta looking really bright in this second half. Plenty of space for Hassan. First time cross to the front post. Fonseca cuts it back. And the equalizer from Sebastian Vivas. Off the bench, onto the score sheet, and Tormenta are level. You can see the emotion in the celebration. Fox heading it down. Corey, back heel for Vivas. Jackson Corey sticking with it. Second ball played in and headed in. Pedro Fonseca has been sniffing around goal all night long and gets the go-ahead header in the 87th minute. Back heel for Vivas. Jackson Corey sticking with it. Second ball played in and headed in.